Your angel is saying to you today, you have not messed anything up. You have not taken the wrong path. You have not sabotaged your destiny. At times like these, when your soul feels tired, gratitude is the best antidote to turn to. When your heart feels lost, faith is how you will find your way back. You are being prepared for something grand. That's why your soul has been put through one test after the other. Raise your head to the sky and thank the universe for the blessing that's coming. Your time in the dark is ending. A new chapter filling with light, love, and abundance is about to begin. Type yes if you agree. A powerful transformation is taking place in your life. Whatever you put your mind to with focus, you will manifest it. Live as if you already are in the person you want to become. Establish to the universe that you are ready to receive. When you live as if you have already become your desired state, you attract miracle in your life. Type Amen if you believe and also subscribe the channel.